Anger can be a powerful emotion, but without control, it can also be destructive. Imagine if you could master your anger and turn it into a source of strength. Our Mastering Anger course provides you with the tools to understand your emotions, identify triggers, and use anger as a catalyst for positive change. This course offers a transformative journey to reclaim control over your emotions and improve your overall well-being. By uncovering the hidden links between stress and anger, you'll gain the tools to intercept outbursts before they escalate. Say goodbye to destructive patterns as you learn healthier, relationship-nurturing alternatives. The course equips you to navigate familial and professional environments with ease, turning conflicts into opportunities for growth. With insights tailored to all age groups, you'll build resilience to face life's challenges with grace. Cement these skills for lasting personal growth and a more fulfilling, harmonious life. Guided by behavioral experts, you'll explore techniques to calm your mind, communicate better, and turn moments of frustration into productive actions. If you're ready to break free from the cycle of anger and embrace a balanced, peaceful life, this course is for you. Enroll in Mastering Anger and take the first step toward inner harmony and improved relationships.